In this video, you will learn how to make a pouch with a zipper. These pouches are multi-purpose and very handy. To make the pouch, you will need one zip that is about 13 inches in length, about 6 to 8 inches length of ribbon for making the loops, a bobbin filled with matching thread, and yes, of course, one piece of colorful fabric that is 12 inches by 11.5 inches in size. Let's get down to business, shall we? Take the zipper and place it on the width of the fabric, facing right sides together. Align the zipper to the edge and use beaded pins to secure it in place. Pull the runner to open the zipper. Take the other side of the zipper to the opposite side of the fabric. Align the zipper edge to the fabric and use some more beaded pins to secure it. Now to get to the machine. Replace the A foot with zipper foot. Keep the needle up and release the presser foot by raising the lever to release the clamp. Position the zipper foot and lower the presser foot lever to clamp it on. Now align one side of the zipper to the right edge of the zipper foot with excess on your right. Start sewing carefully along the edge of the zipper. Don't forget to remove the beaded pins as you reach them. When you reach to the end, remove the fabric from the machine and cut the threads. Repeat the same with the opposite side of the zipper. Keep removing the pins as you reach them. Once you finish this step, you have the zipper on either sides of the fabric. Pull the runner to close the zipper. Fold the fabric flat so as to align the zipper in the center of the fabric. Pin the fabric to secure the layers as shown in the video. Take the ribbon and cut one piece about 2 inches long and another piece that is about 3 inches long. Now fold the shorter piece of ribbon and place the ends aligning the center of the base of the fabric under the zip. Pin the ends to secure it. Pin the longer piece of ribbon in the same manner on the opposite end. Now you are ready to stitch both the open sides. Replace the zipper foot back with the A presser foot. Make sure the needle is up. Sew the ribbon loops that you have pinned on either sides and lock with a reverse stitch using the reverse stitch selector. Repeat the same on the opposite side. Now we move on to sewing the sides. Align the fabric edge with the half-inch marking on the needle plate and start sewing and lock the stitch. Sew the side till you reach the zipper edge. Lock the stitches carefully using the reverse stitch selector. Then with the needle raised, lift up the presser foot to jump over the hard part of the zipper. Start stitching on the other side and give it a reverse stitch here too. Continue stitching till the opposite end of the fabric. Now move to the other side and repeat the same. Here, when you reach the zip, open it and then raise the needle and press a foot to jump over it. Locking the stitch at both ends is important. Cut off the threads and move back to your work table. Now the sides of the zipper pouch are sewn together. Remove the pins, including the ones you placed inside to hold the ribbons. Create a corner by aligning the folded side and the adjacent seam as shown. Keep the corner flat and measure 1.5 inches inside from the corner. Mark a point and draw a straight line. Pin to secure this fold. Repeat the same for rest of the 3 corners too. Once you have marked and pinned all 4 corners, get ready to stitch them. Align the marked side under the pressure foot. Set the stitch pattern selector at A and move the stitch length selector between 2 and 3. Lock the stitch and sew through the line. Stop the machine and remove the fabric. Repeat to stitch all 4 corners as shown. Remember to lock stitch at every end. Remove the pins and cut the corner, leaving 1/4 inch allowance. Repeat the same for the rest of the 3 corners. Also cut the excess zip from both ends, keeping little allowance. You are nearly done. Now turn the pouch inside out. Neaten it by gently adjusting the corners. Your boxy zipper pouch is ready. Wasn't that easy? Now go ahead and experiment with different sizes, fabrics and colors. Unleash your creativity.